This Prada wool-down jacket has arrived. Let's take a brief look at its overall appearance. The color is black, but it has some white mixed in, so visually it leans a bit towards dark gray. The overall color looks very nice. The filling is also very fluffy. It is definitely goose down with a fill power of 800 or above. Next, let's look at its fabric. Because the original version is made of cashmere, we will use wool for our development. The hand feel and the gloss on the surface can be made to look exactly the same. We asked about this in advance, so there is no need to upgrade to cashmere. Let's talk about one thing. This jacket has some down leakage, which is due to its fabric. More or less, it is not like that kind of nylon fabric, which wouldn't leak. This one will leak and shed a little bit. However, we will optimize it when making the inner baffle T-bladder cloth. So this issue basically won't happen, though there might still be a very tiny bit. In places like this, a little bit of down leakage is normal. After all, the jacket looks great. Let's take a look at its materials. The silhouette is a commonly used Prada cut. Here is a triangle logo and the webbing strap. As for the zippers, let us open one. There are two here. Let me open the inside to show everyone. The inside uses a nylon fabric, which is the same as the fabric used in women as Prada. There's one zipper here and another one here, 5 zippers in total, along with 2 pig nose cord locks. The molds for all these hardware pieces are already made, including this round ring and this eyelet. We have the molds ready. We're just taking a quick look. Everyone can rest assured about the warmth of this jacket because it is filled with goose down and paired with this wool fabric. Warmth is definitely not an issue. Right now, it is just about perfecting its hand feel and the texture of this fabric. The entire jacket looks fluffy, but it is not heavy because high quality goose down has great loft and excellent heat retention.